Okay, so I got this, the fairing stuff that I was going to put in there. Came out pretty good. This stuff's pretty cool. It is like heavy duty. When this box came in, I'll slide in a picture where I ordered it on Amazon. Man, it is, that box was heavy. And it's pretty thick. And it weighs, I mean, it weighs a lot. I should have weighed the damn package or looked at how much it costs to ship it. So it came in a box like that, and it was all folded up in these sheets, and then here's the box, noise reduction. It doesn't have a weight, but all these sheets that came in, I think it gave me like 6 or 8 sheets. And the way it peels off and sticks good. So the way I've been doing it is I just kind of been cutting little pieces off and then taping corners, and in some areas I crossed over, and I can definitely see how it would make it less flexible and it's not going to vibrate. I mean, that stuff, it's pretty stinking cool. So what I got to do here is I wanted to show the last one. Am I still in there? Not really. Okay, so what I did here is I kind of just took a piece and laid it down and kind of went, okay, I want this to come up here and this to come around here, and maybe it's like this. Yeah, this is it. So, and then the way I marked it is I would just lay a piece down and then kind of fold it up and kind of mark on the back, and then I would just cut it out, as you can see that blue line there. And I figured I would just show you the last cut. So it cuts with a pair of scissors, and then we'll just kind of stick it in there. So that's going to go like right there. Okay, I'm going to keep that sim straight. It's going to go around here, around my corner. So now I know where it's going to lay. Peel this off. It usually comes off in one sheet. I mean, it is sticky and it's freaking heavy. So then I know where it's going to lay. I know this is my little corner right here, so I got my corner first. And then I just mat it down, but I mean, you would think this is good enough to stick it, but I go over each one of these little dots. They sell a little roller. I actually had my D-ring for my repelling because it was smooth, and I was holding it like this and just mashing down. But then I just figured, you know what? Using my finger takes a little longer. And you can tell when you mash it down, it kind of fits a little bit better. And it makes it, I mean, you can tell when you press it down when it like seals. Like right here I can tell it's not as compressed as this, because it actually mashes down these little things and make it smooth. So you know you have it stuck good. And that's the way it turned out. And now I will put that back on, and if anything, it stiffened it up and it made it more of a solid piece instead of flexible plastic. And now when I put it in, hopefully, you know, I made sure that the screw holes were clear. These little things fit in on the fairing a little bit, so I made sure those were clear. And hell, I forgot how many sheets I used, or how many sheets came in. but I have quite a bit left. This says it covers 18 feet, and I don't know what these look like, 1x3s maybe. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little corner left. So let's see if it says how many sheets come on here. Sound deadener, thermal shield, no prep, no heat, peel and stick. It says use a utility knife, gloves, degreaser. I didn't do any of that. I guess I should have read these instructions first. I had already cleaned it up, so it was clean. Make sure you're pre-cut, level. Special stamping will disappear. That must be this, what I thought these little lines were. It makes it easy to cut a straight line because I can cut right in between the lines. But evidently when these disappear, that means it's stuck good. And they have a little roller you can buy. I didn't buy that. Let's see. The installation material requires temperature to be above 53. Make sure there's no air left between. Temperature range is -50 to 210. I guess it should make it through Texas summer. And it doesn't say how many sheets. So I will put that back on and finish with the lights. And that is like soundproofing or stiffening up, or I really don't need a heat shield in there. I just, because the speakers back up to that, it kind of vibrates and kind of shakes a little bit, and hopefully that will take that noise and wind out from that wind hitting that plastic. That's going to take all that vibration out. All right, we'll end that there.